Welcome, today in front of me OPPO Find X5 Lite, and I'll show you how to turn on always on display feature on this device. So first let's open the settings application and then tap to the personalizations. Then you'll see here always on display section. Click here once, and to activate always on display, click once on the switcher. We can change here the display options. Just to do that, we should click to display options. Now we have selected the power saving mode. We can also use the always on display from just like the in shadow mode, so we can set the start and the end time, and also we can just use it all day. I'll just use it all day. Click here to OK. Now let's lock the device, and we can see that the always on display feature is successfully activated. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.